So, 23.5, buyer number is
25.
25. Congratulations. Next one is the revolving dessert case. One door cooler on the revolving dessert case. Who's going to start it up, folks, at $4,000 and
You
go?
gotta keep it together. You need it.
Anybody at $3,000? $2,000? 1,000? 500. 100 I got again. 2.5 now. 100 bid, 2.5 now. 500 bid now. 7.5. 500 bid now. 7.5 where? I have 500 bid now. 7.5 if you're in. 7.5 bid now. 1,000 if you're in. 7.5 up front now. 1,000. 7.5 bid now. 1,000 if you're in. 7.5 bid 1,000. 1,000. 12.5 Jackie. Thank you. 12.5 if you're in. I got 1,000 bid now. 12.5 where? $1,000 bid now. 12.5 folks. I got $1,000 bid now. 12.5. 12.5 now, 15. 15 if you're in. I have 12.5 up front now, 1,500. I got 5 or 6 bidders on it. I got 12.5 bid now, 1,500 if you're in, folks. 12.5 bid now, 15 where? I have 12.5 once. 13.5 if you're in. 15. 17.5. How much? 13. 14. 13 bid, 14 if you're in. I have 1,300 bid now, 14. Can I let them beat it out for $50? I have 1,300 bid once. 13. I can't hear you, sir. Yeah, what are you bidding? Yes. Just want to make sure. 13.5. You're at 13. You're at 13.5. You're at 13.5. Yes. 13.5, 14, right? You're out at 14. 13.5 once. 13.5 twice. Last and final call. Didn't miss anybody, right? Sold it at $13.50. Thank you all for your bids on that.